Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can track your order on the Shop app. So first is you have to download the application from Play Store or App Store. That's right. And then after that, you just have to log in. And then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to create one. So once you're here, you have these three options at the bottom. So just go to this option right here. That's right. And then you just have to add your order. Okay, so you can view your order archive, connect email accounts, or add order manually. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to add the tracking number, okay, and then the package name, and then your carrier. So after that, you'll be able to see here now your order. So you just have to tap on it. And then as you can see, we have a note right here. We're delivering to receive delivery updates from the carrier. So check tracking details are correct. So make sure to check it once again. And then after that, you will have to go back here and then wait for the update. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.